Today, we are exploring Europe's most photogenic lake, and it has a secret ritual. Welcome to Lake Bled, where fairy tales are not imagined, they're lived. If Slovenia were a novel, Lake Bled would be its magical first chapter. Glacier-born, perfectly nestled between deep emerald forests and the snow-capped Julian Alps. The water has this unreal turquoise glow, part reflection, part glacier soul. Locals say the lake changes personality through the seasons. Spring is hopeful green, summer is sun-kissed gold, autumn is a painter's palette, and winter? Winter makes it feel like Narnia. The moment you arrive, everything slows down, and you get that rare feeling that nature designed this place with intention. Right in the center of the lake sits its crown jewel, the Church of the Assumption, a 17th century sanctuary. There are no engines allowed here. You reach it only by pletna, a handcrafted wooden boat powered solely by human strength. When you arrive, there's a steep 99-step staircase. Couples walk it together, but there's a twist. Tradition says the groom must carry the bride all the way up, in complete silence, to prove strength, dedication, and love. Only then do they ring the bell. Not once, not twice, 3 times for good luck. If the sound echoes through the valley, your wish reaches heaven. Fun fact lightning round! Lake Bled freezes sometimes and locals skate across it. The church bell has been rung for 500 plus years. Bled Castle, the oldest in Slovenia, built before Columbus sailed anywhere. And yes, Bled cream cake, the Kremšnita, is a religion here. Crispy top, vanilla custard cloud, powdered sugar snowstorm. Locals don't ask, "Have you tried it?" They ask, "How many?" Perched on a cliff 130 meters above the lake is Bled Castle. It looks staged, like a medieval movie set that someone forgot to take down. Inside are centuries of Slovenian heritage, a wine cellar carved into stone, and panoramic balconies that make you whisper, "Wow," without even trying. From up there, you see everything: the island, the ring of mountains, the small town circling the shore. It's the kind of view that makes you understand poets. Some places are loud. They beg for attention. Bled whispers. It invites you to think, to dream, to breathe. Maybe that's why every traveler leaves with a story, not a souvenir. If you ever visit, go early, just after sunrise. The lake is glass. Rent a rowboat or take a pletna. The journey is part of the magic. Life is short, and this planet is enormous. Explore the beauty. Write your story. And if you loved this, subscribe for the next hidden wonder.